Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
This video shows you exactly how to add your Yahoo Mail account to your iPad so you can access all your emails on the go. It's a quick process. To begin, locate and tap the gray Settings app icon on your iPad's home screen. Once inside Settings, scroll down the menu on the left side of the screen until you find Mail. Tap on Email. Next, you will see an option labeled Accounts. Tap Accounts. On the following screen, look for and tap Add Account. This will bring up a list of popular email services. From this list, select Yahoo. Your iPad will then open a secure Yahoo sign-in page. First, carefully type in your complete Yahoo email address. Make sure there are no typos. After entering your email, tap the blue Next button. Now, the system will ask for your password. Enter your Yahoo account password accurately. Then, tap Sign In. You might encounter a security prompt asking if you authorize your iPad to access your Yahoo account. Tap Allow or Agree to proceed. Finally, you'll see a screen where you can choose which Yahoo services you want to sync with your iPad. Options typically include Mail, Contacts, Calendars, Reminders, and Notes. Toggle each option on or off according to your personal preferences. For example, if you only want email, turn off Contacts and Calendars. Once your selections are made, tap the Save button located in the top right corner of the screen. Your Yahoo Mail account is now successfully added to your iPad. You can open the Blue Mail app to view all your Yahoo messages.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.